Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device. Uno knows your one and only Atafa the Press. Well, in the morning, I may have few topics I go discuss. But first, I go start it off with Daryl Valls. So, Uno knows right now, Daryl Valls come out and he must say, currently in place on ride share, there is no ban currently in place right now, we must say. When you remember when Daryl Valls come out like Bulko and Duppy Conqueror, who remember when he in a parliament a shout and a behave bad, how he ban this and he ban that? Well, hear this. Transport Minister Daryl Valls has advised that no ban is currently in place on rideshare applications amid the refusal of local telecommunications companies to block the apps. Valls announced the ban on rideshare applications in his sectoral presentation in the House of Representatives on June the 4th. However, in a media release on Friday, Valls said only one telecommunication company has responded to his letter requesting restriction on access to the application. So my wisdom warriors, me tell you so they like to come out and make up one bag of nice. You know, remember how Daryl Valls did a behave, how him ban this and ban that? Because him just did a hype and I make it look like he's actually doing something good for Jamaica when at them give them the license. At them, give them the license, my wisdom warriors. Transport Authority already know about them. Transport Authority even endorse them according to the driving company. You understand me? Because members of them come out, Members of them come out and say the teacher never use their app for take no taxi. Remember, good, So, you see the way of Valls did that behave. Me tell you, say it's all for the media. It's all a hype. That's it. It's nothing else. Nothing substance behind it, my wisdom warriors. Seriously, no substance behind it. They only hype and then Jamaica people say, yes, Valls, yes. See, Jamaica Labour Party are do good. They're not doing good. They're only tricking the people. They're not doing good. None at all. And the way I'm seeing behave, me did I feel laugh at me. I said, what make him a go on so? Ah, look now. Look, my wisdom warriors. Look. Me have to really laugh at them. Because they don't have no sense, Me have to really laugh at them. Because I was saying you have a lot of driving company that is compliant. And some is not compliant. So how you just get up and a ban all of them when some is compliant and some is not compliant? It never make no sense. So it was just all a show. He just put on a performance. It was just all a show, my wisdom warriors. Because he knows he couldn't do that. Because then we don't go down the legal route. You don't know that. Then couldn't go down the legal route. Because then give them their license to perform. And that them do. And on top of it, Transport Authority was endorsing them. And they make it look like them no know nothing. Them no know nothing. Jah know, me just not understand him. I really do not understand Daryl Valls. Pure hype them hype and nothing back of that. So my wisdom warriors, I see this in the article. You know what? I was going to speak about it, yesterday. I'm saying, no, you know what? I was just if and butting if I should speak about it because yesterday the more we bring up this thing, it now go away. You understand? I realize that the media houses they make sure so them are log on. I don't know why them are log on to this when you have the Prime Minister not sign the code of conduct. The Prime Minister statutory declaration is uncertified. The Prime Minister break the constitutional laws over and over. Nothing like this is not in the article. I don't understand. So, you know, say PNP Julian Robinson reveal he's a dual citizen. opposition spokesman for finance and the country's potential future minister of finance, Julian Robinson, has confirmed that he is a dual British Jamaican citizen. Mr. Robinson was born in the United Kingdom before migrating to Jamaica. He confirmed his status with, the mouthpiece there, and in a phone conversation on Thursday evening. All right, this dual citizenship thing where I don't know what is the big deal about it, because remember, say, we're part of the Commonwealth, innit? Remember that? No. Remember, Jamaica is part of the Commonwealth. England is part of the Commonwealth. Remember, America is not part of the Commonwealth. Israel is not part of the Commonwealth. Julian Robinson is not the only. Me does not understand. I just don't understand why. What the big fuss about? Me not get it. What is the big fuss about? When you have Andrew Holness that pledge allegiance to the king. Andrew Holness is more closer to the king than Mark Golding. Me not understand. When I get it all twisted. Jamaican people, do not understand. Let me tell you something. For everybody we think King Council and Privy Council is two different things. Yeah? Everybody that is a part of the Privy Council, they are called the Privy Councillors. So Jamaican people, need for read and have understanding. When you hear King Councils, because somebody commented, and I was like, what? Somebody commented and saying, there's a lot of King Councils in Jamaica, so that no. King Councils that are in Jamaica, yeah, with the attorney and stuff like that, what they call the attorney, they are not part of the Privy Council. You have to understand. Someone that is a part of the Privy Council, they are called the Privy Councillors. Listen, you need to read. Start reading and stop guessing. Jamaica, start reading and stop guessing, because una go down the wrong path. Andrew Holness is the one that pledged allegiance. Mark Golding no pledge no allegiance. You understand? Julian Robinson no pledge no allegiance. Una have to understand these things. Julian Robinson born there. Tom Tavares, the JLP member, the senator. What they call him? The senator, he is the third. You have the governor general. Then you have the Juliet Holness, which is the head of parliament. Then the prime minister. And then Tom Tavares. Tom Tavares born in England too. Mate Samuda born in England. I don't understand the big deal if somebody want to have another passport. I not say nothing wrong with that. Una not get it Jamaica. Having a passport don't mean that them are going to take with Jamaica. They can't. Andrew Holness is the one that is working with the king, not them. We have to understand these things. Andrew Holness is the one that take an oath. Anything they want him to do, he have to do it. Even if it mean going against Jamaica. Jamaican people, we have to wise up and have understanding. You get me? We have to wise up. You need to do more reading and stop guessing. Learn. Go and read and learn and get some knowledge and understanding. So let me tell you now again. The King Councils that are in Jamaica are not part of Privy Council. You don't need to forget this. When you hear them talk about King Council, it's just because them are attorney at law and them hire whatever and then give them. It means that they're part of the Privy Council. Because as I said, somebody commented and they are getting it wrong. When you're a part of the Privy Council, you're called the Privy Councillors. You understand me? So Andrew Holness is a Privy Councillor because he's part of the Privy Council. You don't need to learn about these things. My wisdom warriors, in the United Kingdom and some Commonwealth realms, a King's Council, post-nominal initials, which is KC, is a senior lawyer appointed by the monarch of the country as a counsel learned in the law. When the reigning monarch is a woman, the title is called Queen's Counsel. But now, a king is reigning, so it is called a King's Council. I want people to understand, because some people, as I said before, kept saying, I be a King Council in a Jamaica, so they think that them are part of the Privy Council. No. Privy councillors are appointed for life by the king on the advice of the prime minister. They are individuals who hold or have held senior political, judicial or ecclesiastical office in the UK or in Commonwealth realms. All cabinet ministers are privy councillors, as are others by custom. For example, the Archbishop of Canterbury and York, the Speaker of the House of Commons, the Lord Chief Justice of England and Wales, and more recently, the First Ministers of Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Today, the main function of the Privy Council is to advise the King on giving formal effective to proclamations and orders in council, legal instruments which are made under prerogative or statutory powers. Such instruments are formally enacted by the King with the advice of His Majesty's Privy Council, although in reality the Crown acts on the advice of ministers. So my wisdom warriors, I want to listen good. The persons who sit on the Privy Council is the majority of appointees are senior politicians, including ministers of the Crown, the leader of the main opposition party, the leader of the third largest party in the House of Commons, the heads of the devolved administrations, and senior politicians from Commonwealth countries. This is why I'm telling us, say, the King Council, them in a Jamaica, is like a senior attorney. You understand? Yes. They are not part of the Privy Council. Kings in Council is different from King's Council. You know, if you understand Jamaica, read and understand and get these points. And your oldness, pledge allegiance. I want to know if you understand. Listen, me tell you no one I get it mixed up with. Only thing say everybody will have a British book of a pledge allegiance. No. The only person that pledge allegiance. You see, if you don't born in England and you're born at Jamaica and then you go to England now, you have to give up. You have to neutralize basically. So you have to give up your citizenship from Jamaica. You understand? So you have to give up your citizenship from Jamaica and then you're going to be a British citizen. You understand? So you can't be able to have a Jamaican passport and a British passport, if you understand what I mean. When you give up your neutralization, you understand? When you neutralize, my wisdom warriors, you cannot have a dual citizenship. So you can't have a Jamaican passport and an English passport. You understand me? Yeah? If you're born in Jamaica and you have a red book, you have to give up your Jamaican citizenship. You understand me? And when you give up your citizenship, you pledge allegiance. That is when you pledge allegiance. But this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Because Mark Golding's father are British and he get it to his father. Mark Golding never have to go and give up nothing to pledge allegiance. Jamaica, you know, so me just not understand. You have to read to understand. You get me? You have to read to understand. Anyway, you tell me what you think about that. Well, Tufton claims same a challenge Dawes. Tufton claim that he's challenging Dr. Dawes, my wisdom warriors, amid multiple reports of tragic incidents and a call for an audit of the life-saving machines. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is adamant that there is no evidence that ventilators are missing from the island's public healthcare facilities. So when the ventilator them there, they mash up. So are they broken? Christopher Tufton, is the ventilators broken? Are they now work? We just get ventilators other day. Over 150 ventilators, free of cost, plus funding for buy ventilators. So what them there? You try tell we say I mash up. You tell we the Jamaican people say I mash the ventilators mash up. Every single one of them. So where the ventilators them there? Because as far as me know, the hospital they not have no ventilators. So where them there? Where them there? My wisdom warriors, me tell you now, where are they, Christopher Tufton? And that me want to know. Where are they? My wisdom warriors, only hear me read it out, yesterday, Let me read it again. This was disclosed by Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, during a digital press conference at Jamaica House on Friday, April the 3rd. He also indicated that another 25 ventilators are expected by May 1st, which will further boost the number to over 105. So where the ventilators them there, where Europe go no? Where the money them there, where Europe go no? Amount of money you get, what you do with all them money there? You don't care about the Jamaican people. And we not stop talk about this. People, you need to go out and protest. You need to go out and protest. Come together and protest about these things. You not go wait till it happen to you. You just go wait. You like wait too much. How long are we not go wait, Jamaica? How much more longer we not go wait if you go out and protest against Christopher Tufton? Christopher Tufton must go. He must step down now. He's not a good health minister. He is not. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think. Leader of opposition business in the upper house, Senator Peter Bunting, is raising an alarm about the remuneration of the country's fiscal commissioner, Courtney Williams. Speaking in the Senate on Friday, Mr. Bunting says information he's received suggests Mr. Williams has potentially not been receiving a salary since his appointment. Mr. Williams was sworn in on March the 3rd, 2023. Them has something on the right. Huh? Them has something on the right, my wisdom warriors. Them has something on the right at all. How can the man sworn in from March 3rd, 2023 and now we not receive no payment? Over 1 year now we not receive no money? What is this? What kind of slackness are going on? What kind of slackness are going in the government? What kind of slackness is this? When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors. Jesus mercy, me I tell you about these people. I don't know what else to say, Jaja. But my wisdom warriors, don't tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about this. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, you can run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal. The link I go in the comment section. Blessings. One love.